This log is merbau, 1.1 ton. 1 centimeter is same with 1 year.
This merbau timber is really hardwood. People are still using a vertical benzo. Horizontal is not so common here. And also the narrow band is not common here. Everyone using a wide band. With traditional sawmill, they have a tolerance 3 mm. So they have to go to double blending before go to molding. But with Woodmiser, they have only 1 mm tolerance and better surface. So from the sawmill, from the LT-15, they can go to the molding directly.
The advantage is when cut in this one, we can look how about the quality. If we use vertical, we cannot look easily because must like this.
So they want to make sure that every cut they make is saving the timber. Speed is number 2 now. Accuracy is number 1. We usually use a razor tip blade and carbide blade. They will use it around 10 to 15 times after resharpening. It depends on the tip in here.
One container, a tip, we use 1 blade.
1 blade for each container?
Yeah.
For the LT-15, the capacity for them is, one shift is around 3.5 meter cubic. So they run 3 shifts, so it's around 10 cubic plus. They're really happy, especially with the surface and the accuracy. In a few months later, they will have a 4 Woodmiser machine, 3 LT-15 and 1 LX100. A sawmill around here are mostly doing like a decking, and sometimes they do a flooring.
This is our design. This is parquet for floor.